Assalamu alaikum, my name is Amira and I'm an eco-warrior. Allah created this earth and entrusted us to look after it. That means we have the responsibility of keeping the earth green and beautiful. Today I'm going to talk about global warming and how we can do our bit for the environment. Global warming is the rise in temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. It is said that by the time a baby is born today, till it is 80 years old, the world will be 6.5 degrees warmer than it is now.
The Earth is naturally warmed by rays or radiation from the Sun, which pass through the Earth's atmosphere and are reflected back out to space again. The atmosphere is made up of layers of gases, some of which are called greenhouse gases. They're mostly natural and make up a kind of thermal blanket over the Earth.
This lets the rays back out of the atmosphere, keeping the Earth at its right temperature of 16 degrees Celsius for animals, plants and humans to survive.
Greenhouse gases are made out of water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs.
They are all natural gases, but extra greenhouse gases can be made by humans from pollution.
Extra greenhouse gases are produced through activities which release carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone, CFCs, which are chlorofluorocarbons. These activities include burning coal and petrol, known as fossil fuels, cutting down of rainforests and other forests, animal waste which lets off methane. The ozone layer is another important part of the atmosphere. It's made up of ozone, a type of oxygen that protects the Earth from too many harmful rays called UVB.
If Earth gets hotter, some of the important changes could happen.
Water expands when it's heated, and oceans absorb more heat than land, so sea levels would rise. Sea levels would also rise due to the melting of glaciers and sea ice. Cities on coasts would flood. Places that usually get lots of rain and snowfall might get hotter and drier. Lakes and rivers could dry up. There would be more droughts, making hard to grow crops. Less water would be available for drinking, showers and swimming pools. Some plants and animals might become extinct because of the heat. Hurricanes, tornadoes and other storms which are caused by changes in heat and water evaporation may get more common.
There are ways you can help cut greenhouse gases and help stop global warming. They are simple things but can make a difference if everyone does them.
Recycle glass bottles, jars, newspapers and magazines and tin cans. Save them and take them to the local recycling centres. Reuse plastic shopping bags and envelopes. Don't get new ones. Persuade your mum and dad, or whoever does the gardening, to have a compost heap. Use paper on both sides. Try and buy products that don't use much packaging. Give unwanted gifts and clothes to a charity shop. Only fill the kettle up with the amount of water you need to boil that time. Don't leave the TV or video on standby. If you get lift to school in a car, take your mates along for the ride. Ask whoever does your washing to use the machine at 40 degrees. This helps conserve power. Switch lights off when you're not in the room. Cycle to places. Have showers instead of baths.
I hope you have learned a thing or two about global warming. And remember, you can be an eco-warrior too. See you next time. Bye!